Welcome, gentlemen. Today we will discuss your roadmap to ISSB success. It is very important, যখন তুমি ISSB পরীক্ষা দিতে যাবা এই পয়েন্টগুলি if you follow, definitely you are going to be very successful in the ISSB exam. So first of all, তোমাকে প্রসেসটা জানতে হবে. Going to be there in ISSB, right? Like you have to know what is psychology test, what is IQ test, GTO task, right? DP Viva, what is interviews, what is physical test. তোমাকে জানতে হবে. If you know the process, so you can actually perform better. তোমাকে জানতে হবে what is the process of entire ISSB. Then you have to be physically fit. Army te physical fitness is one of the very important aspects. So you have to be physically fit before you go for ISSB, right? So you have to run for say 3 to 4 miles and you can increase. Then you have to actually increase your muscle strength. So muscle strength বাড়াতে হবে. For that, what you can do? তুমি reach up দিতে পারো, push up দিতে পারো, right? Then you have to be flexible, right? You can stretch and do other things daily to become physically fit. Then you should have leadership skill. You should take, once you are in ISSB, তোমাকে ইনিশিয়েটিভ নিয়ে কাজ করতে হবে, কোনো কাজে তোমাকে উদ্যমী হতে হবে, right? Because you are going to be a future leader of Bangladesh Army, Navy or Air Force of this country. So you have to take quick decision. Once you are given any task, you must decide as soon as possible. So you have to be a quick thinker. Then you should support your teammates. তোমার teammates কে provide them support, সাহায্য করতে হবে. You should have good relationship among the teammates. Then you should stay informed. You should read newspaper. তোমার current affairs, what is going on right now in the world, right? What is happening in Russia? What is happening in Israel? What is happening in Ukraine right now? So you have to know everything. তোমাকে you have to stay informed. জানতে হবে, তোমাকে রেগুলার নিউজ পেপার পড়তে হবে, বিবিসি নিউজ দেখতে হবে, সিএনএন দেখতে হবে, so that you know everything. তোমার IQ প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে. Regularly you have to practice. Definitely you will not have any difficulties once there will be IQ exam. And to increase your general knowledge, what I said before, you have to read newspapers, magazines, whatever you feel like, but you must know what is happening in the world right now. So you have to stay informed. Then another important thing is that psychological test. তোমাকে word association practice করতে হবে. That is must. তোমাকে বিভিন্ন ধরনের word দেওয়া হবে. You should know how to write it very positively. Okay? So positivity is a must to become a military officer. Then you should know how to make a sentence positively. You should know how to complete a sentence very positively. তোমার মধ্যে positivity থাকতে হবে. এই positivity তোমাকে আসলে আর্মিতে বা আইসিএসবিতে তোমাকে সাকসেসফুল হতে তোমাকে সাহায্য করবে। তারপরে তোমাকে যে স্টোরিটা দেওয়া হবে, you have to make the story with positive sense. So you should have that positive mindset within yourself. এই পজিটিভ মাইন্ডসেট যদি তোমার থাকে, definitely you are going to be successful in ISSB exam. Then another important aspect is that interview preparation. Prepare করতে হবে ইন্টারভিউর জন্য. You must know your motivating factors. What actually motivates you to join Bangladesh Army, Navy or Air Force. Then তোমাকে আত্মবিশ্বাসী হতে হবে, but you should be polite, humble, right? আত্মবিশ্বাসী হবে, confident হবে, but তুমি you should not outsmart your senior, right? Then you should dress professionally, like তোমার dress, if it is an interview, then তোমাকে close collar, that means tie, clean shirt, pant, shoes, right? পড়তে হবে তোমাকে. Then during the group task, this is very, very important. You have to participate very actively. তোমাকে সবার সাথে ভালোভাবে সমঝোতা করে চলতে হবে, সহযোগিতা করতে হবে, টিমমেটদের সাথে একটা গুড আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং তোমাকে বিল্ড আপ করতে হবে, and you should stay flexible. You should collaborate with others. তোমাকে আরেকজনকে তোমাকে সাহায্য করতে হবে. It's called spirit code. So তোমাকে এটা মেনটেন করতে হবে. So thank you, gentlemen. That's all we had today. Your roadmap to ISSB success. Thank you for watching our video.